Your Samsung refrigerator suddenly stopped cooling? Before you panic and spend hundreds on repairs, try these simple fixes first. First, check the temperature settings. A power outage or accidental button press may have changed them without you noticing. Next, listen carefully. Can you hear the fan running inside the fridge? If not, airflow could be the problem. Now check the vents. Boxes, containers, or bags blocking airflow can prevent cold air from reaching your food. Still not cooling? Pull the refrigerator away from the wall and inspect the condenser coils. Dust-covered coils make the refrigerator work harder and cool less efficiently. A quick cleaning can make a huge difference.
Take a look at the freezer too. Heavy frost buildup may be blocking the cooling system.
If frost is everywhere, unplug the refrigerator and allow it to fully defrost for several hours. Don't forget the door seals. Damaged or loose gaskets let cold air escape all day long.
If you've tried all these steps and the fridge still isn't cooling, the compressor or defrost system may need professional service.
These simple checks solve many Samsung refrigerator cooling problems.
Yeah.
And could save you an expensive repair bill.
Did one of these fixes work for you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more home repair tips.